Chefs, do you know that every 1 in 4 fries eaten around the world comes from a Canadian company? McCain is a true Canadian success story, known for making incredibly delicious fries. And it all started with the humble Canadian potato. I love a French fry. Whoever isn't a French fry lover, get out of here. Get out. But of course, Canada has no shortage of iconic ingredients. Whether it's lobster from the East Coast or BC mushrooms, we have some of the best ingredients in the world. In this challenge, you must create a proudly Canadian dish using one of these ingredients and find a tasty way to incorporate McCain Fries. Your time starts
now. Cheese.
Ooh.
Parsley. Are you ready to cook some fries, everyone?
Yay!
Let's go. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. I've got female bacon and McCain straight cut fries. I'm doing breakfast.
I'm gonna make a Spanish torta, which is a Spanish omelet. The inspiration for this comes from backpacking through Spain with my wife. This was one of our favorite things to eat in Barcelona. The main ingredient of a Spanish omelet is potatoes inside. So I take the straight cut fries, I cut them into little cubes, and I deep fry it.
Crispy, crunchy, golden munchy.
And then I fold those into my mixture with the female bacon.
I sure hope this is a Susur Lee worth torta, that's for sure.